morning, children. In previous class, so I have explained this textual grammar of page number 11, children. See, learn grammar. This is our English textbook all in one. In previous class, I explained you about the kinds of sentences. How many types of sentences I have explained you? See here, declarative or assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentences. I explained this one, and next here see 1 to 7 sentences also I have explained you. We have to write the which type of sentence in these blanks, children. Now take page number 12 of some same textbook only, textbook grammar only. Page number 12, G, children. See, I have written here page number 12, G. See, change the given sentences into interrogative sentences. You know what is called interrogative sentence? You are questioning. So what punctuation mark you are putting at the end of the sentence, children? Question mark. What, children? Question mark. See, change the given sentences into interrogative sentences. Here they have given 1 to 7 sentences of G, children. What, children? G. See, these answers you have to write here only. By changing these sentences into question form, we have to write question, we have to put the question mark at the end of the sentence, children. See, what is first one? Just I am going to explain you first one. Ali owns a dog. See, children, Ali owns a dog. What sentence is this, sir? Full stop is there. What is this sentence, sir? Here you have here, no? Declarative or assertive sentence, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, there are two rules. One is command and one is request. But this is, what sentence is this, sir? Say, this is declarative sentence. You are declaring, you are telling to others. So, Ali owns a dog. Declarative sentence or assertive sentence. This sentence you have to change into interrogative sentence. See the heading here? Change the given sentences into interrogative sentences. Ali owns a dog. There are some question words I told in English, isn't it? Who, why, where, when, what, which, whose pen is this, whose chalk piece is this, whom do you want to meet, in which class are you studying, where did you go, why didn't you come to school, isn't it? So those are all sentences come into interrogative sentence because you are asking question, you are questioning to others. So this declarative sentence must change as what? Interrogative sentence. Here they have given the blanks, children. So how to write this one? Ali owns a dog. Does Ali own a dog? See? Does Ali own a dog? Question mark. So which symbol, which punctuation mark I kept here? Question mark. See, this is declarative or assertive sentence. This is interrogative sentence. But same group of words only. There I didn't change any group of words or any letter. Ali owns a dog. Declarative sentence. Does Ali own a dog? See the way of speaking, the way of asking. Does Ali own a dog? You are questioning. Does Ali own a dog? Question mark. Now coming to second sentence, children. She likes to eat fruits. See, children. She likes to eat fruits. She likes to eat fruits. This is also declarative sentence or assertive sentence. This one we have to change into interrogative sentence. See, she likes to eat fruits. How to change this one? See, does she like to eat fruits? See, here I will write the answer. Does she like to eat fruits? See, does she like to eat fruits? See the way of telling the sentence. She likes to eat fruits. You have declared, you have announced, you told to somebody, does she like to eat fruits? Question mark. So, like this 1 to 7 sentences are there. You have to change these 1 to 7 sentences into interactive sentences and write the answers in the textbook itself. Here they have given the place, children. Followed everybody? In previous class I explained about declarative assertive means what you are telling something to others, you are declaring, and next interactive sentence you are asking questions, and imperative sentence means what, children? Command on request. Please give me your book. You are requesting. Command. Shut your mouth. Go out of the class. You are ordering. Okay? That is called imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. These are all conventional types of sentences I explained you in page number 11, children. Okay? Now today's class now page number 12. 1 to 7 sentences of G change into interrogative sentences and write the answers in these blanks only, children. Followed everybody? Right.